Okay. Okay.
Amandeep, if you don't mind, can you switch on your camera, dear?
Mm. Aman, can you please start your camera if it is possible?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Good morning.
Good morning.
So, hello and good morning, everybody. Welcome to this interactive session with one of our esteemed recruiters. We have Mr. Anand Kotwala along with us, who is the managing director of Online Print and Pack Private Limited, a company producing paper cartons for various industries. You name the big brands, Amul, Intas. Name any of the companies from various industries, or they are all the clients of uh, Online Print and Pack Private Limited. And we also have Miss Amandeep Kaur, who is the student of LJ Institutes of Management and who has been recruited with this company. Anand sir, welcome to this interaction. Aman, welcome. And first of all, congratulations for getting placed with such a renowned company. Uh, Anand sir, we would like to understand, you being a recruiter, you being the person from the industry, person from such a nice industrial background, huge industrial experience. We want to know, what do the MBA students need to have uh, if they want to be placed, if they want to be good performers, if they want to be with various industries, what skills, what knowledge do they need to have according to you, and how they can become more
First,
So,
employable?
right.
so
Thank you,
this
ma'am,
is
for
in
the kind
context.
word. Actually, we don't have that bigger setup. It was very nice of you to say such big, huge words for us. We are a small packaging company trying to grow as soon as possible with the help of youngsters and enthusiasts like Amandeep. And we do have a few very good clients, and we try to serve them as in as good a way as possible. Now, we've been associated with your esteemed organization, and it's been a pleasure being associated with you. Now, like you said, what are the qualities that are required to be employed or required to be placed? So, first of all, I would like to tweak this a bit. Instead of having the idea of being employed or being placed, I would suggest that their aim should be to be successful and wherever they get placed. So just being placed or just being employed should not be the criteria. It should be, to get associated with a good company for a very, and they should have a long vision where they can really contribute and to the growth of the company, and they themselves can grow along with the company. So that journey should be pleasurable and profitable both for the employee as well as the employer. So that is the first thing I would say, that should be the criteria for every MBA student. Now, a few things that we look at the time of getting associated with any of the students is a few basic things. Like first of all, we look at academics. I mean, we give a lot of importance to academics. I mean, the student should at least be a first class student, and not once but consistently. So we look at the consistency in everything, like right from the school, SSC, HSC, and the MBA. Throughout, they should be consistent performers. That is what we give a lot of importance to. And we also look at their interest and the consistency in their interest. Quite a few times, what we see is that there isn't a bit of consistency in the interest that they have pursued. Like they would start with science, then move on to commerce, then move on to some other field. So their interest and consistency in their interest should also be consistent. This is the first thing that we look at the time of looking at the CV of the student. Then as far as MBA is concerned, like there would be MBA marketing, MBA finance, MBA HR. We haven't employed MBA finance so far since we are more into manufacturing. So we have employed students who are into marketing and HR. So whatever I say, that might be my opinion might be restricted to these two fields. So as far as marketing and HR is concerned, we look at the seriousness of the student and the passion with which they would want to work. So after the academics, when we I'm giving the what they have learned to our MBA, I would talk about that in the end. But whenever we meet a student, the personality, the confidence level, the body language, the eye contact, the frankness in communicating, and consistency among all of it, that what they are saying should tally with what reflects in the CV and what is reflected in their body language. So consistency in all three of this is something that we definitely look into. And honesty and frankness is one thing. There are quite a few people who go round and round in what they are being asked. So we would appreciate students who are very frank, upfront in what they are being told, and what they say should be from the bottom of their heart. And whenever we have MBA students, very much, yes, it's very easy for us to give the required knowledge or skill set of our industry. But what we at times feel is that there is a bit of theoretical importance which has been given to the MBA students, and there is a gap in what they are required to deliver at the industry level. So the lesser the gap we need to fill, so the easier it will become for us. So that is what we feel, and that is what we gauge after looking at these basic things in any student.
Right. So we appreciate the inputs that you have given, and specifically when it relates to the skill sets that a student should have, or probably, right, like you mentioned, we are trying to work on our curriculum to make it as much practical as possible. So,
Yeah.
sir, I want to ask you that since we know how the process happened, you weren't looking for a female candidate, but you ended up selecting Amandeep. So specifically for female candidates, I would want you to highlight, if you want to speak anything regarding the skills, why you decided to go for Amandeep, or why did you decide to change your mind and go for Amandeep?
Yeah, see, I would say that we were looking for MBA students for marketing, and ours is an industrial intermediate, we would say. We manufacture packaging material which is not used by the end user but by industries. So, and we did not want somebody, whenever we want to recruit somebody, we make a very detailed job description. We put in a lot of efforts in making the job description. And at the time of employing, we try to see to it that the student is as close as possible to the job description. Now, as far as marketing and field marketing is concerned, they would be expected to travel at least 80 to 100 kilometers a day in industrial estates. वो धूल खानी पड़ती है. 45 degrees temperature also they're expected to go. Even if it's raining, they're supposed to go. They are supposed to achieve their targets. They're supposed to make the number of calls. They're supposed to ensure that the cost per call does not exceed the specified limit. So when we interviewed Amandeep, she was very positive. We were impressed by her interview and her CV. We got a very good reference from the management as well. From the faculty. But then, on second thought, we thought that ultimately she's a lady. So हमें वो नहीं करना था कि there are other guys also. Then we didn't want to be partial to okay, लड़की है यहाँ नहीं जाएगी चलेगा, लड़की है धूप है नहीं जाएगी चलेगा, लड़की है बारिश हो रही है नहीं चलेगा. She would say नहीं, my parents are saying this, मेरे family से मना कर रहा है. So we do not want to compromise on that one factor. And we had faced this in the past, then it becomes a very difficult position for us also. कि अभी बारिश हो रही है, लड़की कैसे जाएगी, फिर कोई बोलेगी मेरे फैमिली से मना कर रहा है, तो हम क्या बोले, हम हाँ भी नहीं बोल सकते, ना भी नहीं बोल सकते, and we cannot negotiate on the targets also. And then other guys will say that is that our fault that we are guys, so we are supposed to go, and she's a girl, so she's not supposed to go. So that is why I communicated with her also very clearly that this is the reason you are not being shortlisted. But then she said that, "Nee, sir, I want to get into marketing. I'm focused. I want to get into field marketing only." So I had explained to her also that you being a lady, it's better you don't get into this. You get into something which is softer. But then she was bent upon this, and we got an assurance from Rucha ma'am also. I spoke to Kiranji also. He got a very good positive response. So then I told her that, look, Amandeep will recruit you, but I am forgetting that you are a girl. फिर ये सब लेके मत आना कि ये मना कर रहे हैं, वो मना कर रहे हैं. I will not listen to that, and you will have to deliver. And she has lived up to that expectation. We are very happy with her. The way she's working very hard, working in a very focused way, and learning very fast. और जो उसको बोला जाता है उससे she is trying to exceed that. So we are very, and she is setting up a benchmark everywhere. Like जब हम benchmark set करते हैं 8 calls के ये 13 call करके आती है. We expect her to be out of her home at 10 o'clock. She's out at 9:45. So the number of inquiries she's generating, her perseverance, her hard work. So I'm very sure last week, like we have a review meeting every Monday. Means they're supposed to make a presentation about the number of calls, number of inquiries, etc., etc. And I said, "Kitna business like?" She said, "X." So I said, "Why are you underestimating yourself? With the inquiries that you've generated, it should be 5x." So, and I'm sure she'll do it. So now the pressure is on us that we make sure that we are able to give her the growth, number one, depending upon the effort she's putting in. And number two, we should be able to cope up to execute the orders that she gets. So we are very happy with her.
Thank you, sir. So, Amandeep, coming to you now, since you have set a benchmark for all the girls of marketing, this is a challenge that we face every year. In fact, everyone across the globe faces that, females do not tend to be very keen for getting into sales profile or field profiles. And when there are females like you are so enthusiastic and we get such a feedback, we feel very proud that, this is a myth, I believe, that females cannot work on field. So, Amandeep, we would like to know that what was your interview experience and what motivated you to get into this company or this field, and what keeps up that motivation?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Aman.
Yeah, ma'am, I'm audible, no?
Yes,
Yes,
you
you're
are.
audible.
Okay. Hello, good morning, ma'am. This is Amandeep Kaur, and I have been placed in Online Print and Pack Private Limited as a marketing executive. So my experience for placement,
Yes,
actually, ma'am, this is what LJ taught me in past 2 years. It was always not appropriate to expect everything from the college and not give anything in return. But most of the time, our behavior leads to a lots of issues related to our career. And the placement training provided was just a word of number of days. I would like to thank all the teams to recognizing my capability and give me the motivation and support to do things which otherwise I thought was never my cup of coffee, ma'am. And they have always been in constant support and a backbone in anything related to placement activities. Also, ma'am, thanks to all the faculty members and supporting staff. I would like to thank this with a quote that say, always prefer to learn it so that it's make you appreciate it more, ma'am.
So, Aman, how was your interview experience since you cracked the interview, I must say, and you proved out to be a deserving candidate. Since Sir ne socha nahi tha, still he decided that he will go ahead with you. So, how was your interview experience?
My experience, yeah, ma'am, my experience is awesome, super, too good. Actually, I am also shocked. I am also unexpected कि हम वहाँ select हो जाएंगे. But एक sixth sense होता है कि नहीं हमें करना है. ये हमें मतलब ऐसा एक जुनूनियत हो जाती है कि नहीं, कोई हमें बोल कैसे जाए कि नहीं होगा, होगा, क्यों नहीं होगा, बी पॉजिटिव।
Okay. Okay. So, thank you, Amandeep. Coming back to Anand sir, we really got very helpful insights from you. Would you like to give any message or any such feedback to the freshers specifically? Since you know a fresher would always start a journey with a lot of struggle and a pressure that my fresher, how will I survive? How will I deal with the experienced people? So, any message that you want to give to our students, specifically freshers who are, preparing themselves for the industry?
See, I would always say that for the freshers, there is no need to be under any type of pressure. So they need to, number one, clarity in thought is very important. Whenever they start their career, they should put in their heads, do their homework and have a very clear thought about what they want to do in life and what they want to do in their career. So once that clarity of thought is very important. And secondly, without being pressured, they need to put in hard work. And I always believe that you do your best and God will do the rest. So they consistently put in the pressure, the effort, and the results are bound to follow. And I always believe that wherever they work, there should be three things which should not be compromised upon, and that is what I tell all my team members and whosoever joins us, that wherever you work, there should be three things. One is profit, पैसा, हम लोग सब पैसा बनाने के लिए, profit करने के लिए काम करते हैं. Second, pleasure. That entire process should remain pleasurable. It is profit, it is pleasure, and thirdly, it is prestige and peace of mind. जहाँ पे आपको इज्जत ना मिले, wherever your prestige is compromised upon, रात की नींद खराब हो जाए, you don't have that peace. So ये तीनों में से एक भी compromise होता है, then you should stop. And once all these three things are there, and once you put in the hard work, and once you have that passion and clarity and consistency, there is no stopping. You just keep on doing that, and you're bound to succeed.
Absolutely. So this is very true that clarity and at the same time peace of mind, both are very important when you're working to bring out your best.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir.
And I always tell the team also that wherever you go, and in case you're a client, say आपको नहीं जमा है, you're not comfortable the way they talk, or you feel that your self-respect is compromised upon, you just don't go there again. You can just tell me that नहीं जमा. I'll not even ask, कितना भी potential client हो, कितना भी business हो, I'll just say that don't go there. You'll get that business from somewhere else.
Okay. That's very supportive actually. And this is what we don't get to see in a lot of corporates now, since we deal more in money-oriented people gradually. So, okay. Over to you, Rucha ma'am.
Yeah, I think, sir, we really appreciate the way you are handling the company. We get so many inputs from Aman. She being closest to all of us, she keep on telling us, ma'am, this is how the company works. This is how Anand sir guides the way everything is streamlined with her since last 3 months. I guess she has completed 3 months only, and within the 3 months everything has been streamlined, and your guidance has given her so many inputs and a good motivation. And now also we appreciate the way you have given us the insights, and the students will definitely get benefited from the inputs that you have given, because most of our students will be going through this video that we are having right now. So definitely we
And
all,
one last
yeah.
thing, there's one last thing I want to add, that definitely जो भी theoretical है या whatever marketing में या whatever subject knowledge, I'm sure with the trained faculty it is being imparted, and it is being imparted to a large extent. We always also look at the soft skills, and perhaps those are the skills which play an equal role over and above the hard skills or the subject knowledge. तो उसमें भी जितनी आपकी इंस्टीट्यूट मेहनत करेगी उतनी उनके लिए भी अच्छा रहेगा, and it will be easier for the employer also. So along with the hard skills, we look at many other things like the leadership quality, time and management, regularity, punctuality, attitude, readiness for hard work, adaptability, learning from peers, respect of peers, all of that plays a very important role. तो वो जो सब्जेक्ट नॉलेज होता है वो गैप तो हम फिल कर सकते हैं, पर ये सब में जो गैप होता है वो फिल करना बहुत डिफिकल्ट रह जाता है.
Very true. Very true.
Right.
Sir, we'll make sure that we consider your inputs, and hopefully we look forward to a long
Thank you.
association. So coming towards the end of
Same
the
here,
session,
same here.
yeah. So on behalf of LG University and LG Institute of Management placement team, I would like to thank you for sparing such a precious time of yours and coming ahead to share your inputs.
Oh, it's been a
These
pleasure.
things are really very rare and very important for the students. The mentors like you, help us to give good quality to the industry and improve every year. So Rucha ma'am, over to you now.
Yeah, I think, ma'am, I have cleared the things that I wanted to have. So, is there anything else, ma'am? Or yeah.
No, thank you
Thank
very much
you.
for giving me
Yeah.
a chance, and I hope my contribution is helpful to you.
Yes, it is, sir. It is very
Thank you so
helpful. Thank you,
Thank you.
Anand sir, and thank you, Aman, for being with us here.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you.